Really very important question for the exam. One of the most repeated question. The question is show that sec theta minus tan theta whole square. Sec theta minus tan theta whole square equals to 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Clear? One of the most repeated question for the final examination. Really very important questions. Clear? Many times this was repeated in the exams. Clear? So let us go with the solution of this question. Clear? अब यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे हम? We'll take the LHS and we'll prove the RHS. So what is LHS here? What is LHS? Okay. Sec theta minus tan theta whole square. And we have to prove 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, now tell me what is the reciprocal of sec theta? Sec theta is a reciprocal of cos. So sec we can write as 1 by cos theta minus what is tan theta formula? Sin by cos. What is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta whole square. Clear? Now take the LCM of the denominators. And we know that if denominators are same, LCM will also be same. So LCM क्या आएगा यहाँ पर same cos theta. Now we can write the same numerator. Okay. So what is the first numerator? 1 minus second numerator क्या है अपना? Sin theta whole square. Clear? So whenever denominators are same, we can write the same denominator and we can write the same numerator. 1 minus sin theta whole square. Clear? Okay. Now check. This square is on numerator and also on denominator. I am separating it. Okay. क्या करेंगे हम? Separate कर देंगे. 1 minus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. What? Cos square theta. Now, cos square theta is related to which identity? First identity. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Okay, what is the first identity here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. I want cos square theta value. What I need to do? I have to say sin square there. क्या करना पड़ेगा? Sin square को उधर same करना पड़ेगा. So here we will get cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So tell me what is the value of cos square theta? 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. Let us substitute the values here. Numerator same. What is the numerator? 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by cos square theta. What is the value of cos square theta? 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. I have a question here. Is numerator denominator same or different? Different, not same. Why? क्यों? क्योंकि ये whole square है और यहाँ पर whole square नहीं है. Clear? These are not same. These are different. Because here we got whole square. Here we don't have a whole square. यहाँ पर square सिर्फ sign पे है और चाहे तो हम यहाँ पर भी square लिख सकते हैं. 1 square is 1. तो यहाँ पर square separate है और यहाँ पर whole square है. So this is not 1. These are two different okay values. Clear? अभी देखो न्यूमरेटर को वैसे ही रखेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर में मेरे को 1 माइनस साइन चाहिए और यहाँ पर 1 माइनस साइन आ गया ना. ओके, आई एम नॉट डिस्टर्बिंग द न्यूमरेटर. न्यूमरेटर में क्या हो रहा है? 1 माइनस साइन थीटा और यहाँ पर मेरे को 1 माइनस साइन थीटा आ गया. होल स्क्वायर है ओके, बट 1 माइनस साइन थीटा तो है. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्टर्ब इट. क्लियर? तो डिनोमिनेटर पे थोड़ा वर्क करेंगे. क्यों वर्क करेंगे? क्योंकि यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर में चाहिए 1 प्लस साइन, लेकिन हमारे पास क्या है? 1 स्क्वायर माइनस साइन स्क्वायर. यहाँ पर प्लस चाहिए लेकिन हमारे पास minus है. So we have to work a little. Now check the denominator. The denominator is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Clear? तो न्यूमरेटर को सेम रखेंगे हम 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by इन डिनोमिनेटर a is 1, b is sin theta. तो a plus b का मतलब 1 plus sin theta और a minus b का मतलब 1 minus sin theta. Clear? Okay, now what is numerator? 1 minus sin theta whole square. What is the meaning of whole square? Whole square का मतलब क्या है कि that particular term is repeated for 2 times and जो 2 times repeat हो रहा है तो उसको हम 2 times लिख देंगे इस तरह से 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta 1 minus theta same we cancel. क्या बच रहा है 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. This is our RHS. What is this here? RHS. So here we can say that LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to what? RHS. This is the most repeated question for the exams. And this was asked many times for how many marks? 6 marks. काफी बार ये 6 marks में पूछा गया है. Many times I'm telling you, many times. Clear? Okay. This is very simple here. Any doubts, any confusions with this? क्या use करें इसमें हम? What we have used here? Identities and reciprocal. Because needed here. I think reciprocal was not need. Okay, fine. We use here, right? Sure. So in this type of question, only we use identities and reciprocals. Okay. तो जो